It's January 15th, 2026. So it has been 2 weeks of trading for this year. So we have compiled with the help of Grok the best performing sectors this year so far. So the first one being basic materials with YTD 11.7%. The reason behind this sector is the commodity price surges. Metals such like copper, gold, and silver. We know that also due to geopolitical risks and so on, and also the AI infrastructure build and all that, all of these need these basic materials. So this year, this will be one of the focus sector to watch out for. So some of the tickers that we will actually introduce later for, and then now let's just look at the other second ranking sector, which is industrials with 8.56% YTD, and this will benefit from the infrastructure spending, manufacturing rebound, and aerospace defense growth amid geopolitical tensions. So examples being like heavy equipment such as Caterpillar, GE Aerospace, transportation like FedEx, and so on. And the next one being consumer defensive staples, being 5.63% YTD, with examples such as P&G, Coca-Cola, and Walmart. This is going to benefit from the stable demand for essentials and amid economic uncertainties. We also gave an example of the sector such as CELH. So this ticker actually did not drop at all in the 2022 bear market. Instead, it actually rose. So in a time of recession, this consumer defensive is going to be more moderate and stable. And the next sector being energy, such as oil, gas, with uncertainties such as recent Middle East tensions. And there's also consumer cyclical, such as Amazon, Disney, and Tesla, and also healthcare. So in this sector, I will actually going to plan for J&J. And financial services, we knew that JP Morgan just released a good earnings report yesterday, I believe. So this is also going to benefit from a more friendly interest rate environment coming up this year, I believe. And let's just look at some of the tickers in each of these sectors. So let's just see. So the consumer cyclical, there are some outliers. They're just meme stocks that went up crazy. But let's just look at a more clean format, right? So these are the 7 sectors that we talked about, and then the following are their outperforming tickers in each of the sectors. So AMCR, actually this one is mistake. So this generative AI actually omitted the mistake after I tried to correct it because of the reverse stock split yesterday. So this one is not really a good one, so you can ignore this first one. But other ones such as CRML, so it has been a really good run for this year since the beginning. And also this one is a OTC, but it also has run well. and it's a lithium producer with EV demand tailwind. And there's also HYMC for gold mining. Precious metals rally is the key driver, and also RYAM. So it's chemicals and materials. So we will actually introduce these tickers in each of these sectors in the coming sessions, but maybe we can try to look at what are some of the opportunities that might actually come up in these sectors, right? So so we can take a look, so this one is ZDAI. So this one, this is too high. It doesn't show any buying opportunity yet. And let's see, some of these tickers is just like crazy run that unfortunately I missed the opportunity at the beginning of this year, but hopefully in some of the later trading sessions we could catch up now that we realize these are really good opportunities. And then also this one, crazy run, and this one you see is like, oh, it's just completely blow up your mind. So I don't see any good buying opportunities so far for these ones. And this one also not really a buying opportunity yet. I think we just need to be patiently to wait for some of the correction coming up. This one, no, not really. Okay, these ones, not really. And this one, it could be. Okay, this one I actually bought yesterday. So I guess, it's not really in one of those sectors that we talked about, just some other random stuff. And this one, not a good opportunity yet. We will compile some of the good ones in the coming sessions, sector by sector, to give a review which tickers are actually presenting a good opportunity at that moment. Okay, see you soon.